Last month's Detroit Auto Show saw the debut of the all-new 2019 Mercedes-Benz G-Class. Few vehicles have well and truly earned the term all-new like the G-Wagen, as this was the first full redesign since it was introduced in 1979. As excited as we are for the new G500, what many people have been waiting for is the latest model from Affalterbach, the 2019 Mercedes-AMG G63. It promises to be more comfortable, fuel efficient and better driving than ever, but we just hope it's nearly as charming. At the heart of every AMG is a big, meaty engine. In this case, it's a variant of the 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 that's found in everything from the AMG GT R to the S560. In this guise, the engine makes 577 horsepower and an axis-shifting 621 pound-feet of torque, the latter available 2,500 to 3,500 revolutions per minute. Like with the other variants, the turbochargers are in the middle of the engine's V, a move that helps them spool faster. Cylinder deactivation helps improve fuel economy. Power is sent to all four wheels through a 9-speed automatic. The 4MATIC all-wheel drive system has a 40/60 front-to-rear torque split, ensuring that some amount of wheel spin should be possible. For those concerned, take comfort in knowing that there are still 3 locking differentials. The G63 will hit 60 miles per hour in just 4.4 seconds, 0.9 seconds quicker than the old model. Top speed is limited to 137 miles per hour. Checking the box for the driver's package raised the limit to 149 miles per hour, impressive for such a brick-shaped object. It wouldn't be an AMG tuned model if there wasn't some work done to the suspension and steering. We love it for its charm, but frankly the outgoing model was one of the absolute worst handling vehicles on the market. The new model ditches the solid front axle in favor of an independent setup. There's a 5-link setup in the rear with coil springs all around. Every AMG gets adaptive dampers with 3 preset modes: Comfort, Sport and Sport Plus. In total there are 5 on-road settings and 3 more for off-roading. The steering system now uses a variable ratio and speed-sensitive rack. AMG says feedback improved, but it's not hard to move up from what was already available. Like the suspension, the steering has both comfort and sport modes that adjust the wheel's weight. Like the G500, the G63 won't be mistaken for anything else but a G-Class.